Well, it's my first job of the day on King Charles III's Coronation Day. And it's a lovely day actually. It is forecast to be raining, especially down in that there London down there. But I'm here at All Saints Church at Stranton in Hartlepool, where they're going to be ringing out the bells in celebration. So I'm hoping that I'm going to get up in the, not in the bell tower, but up where they do the ringing of the bell. Come to the Royal Navy Museum in Hartlepool to see the HMS Trincomalee all flagged up for the coronation. You can see in the background there. Not a bad place to have your office today, is it?